Unboxing the Wireless Mini HDI Complete. Let's go over each of the components included in your new lighting system. Battery charger, USB wall charger, USB charging cable, 3 rechargeable batteries, wireless headlight, adjusting tool. Now, let's set up your new wireless lighting system. Attach headlight to T-mount bracket on the frame. Angle the light to your desired position, then lock in place with the included adjustment tool. Remove cap from headlight and insert a battery into the light with the positive side down. Screw the cap clockwise onto the light to turn the light on. To turn the light off, slightly turn the cap counter clockwise. Now, let's go over your wireless mini battery charger. Plug the USB-A side of the charging cable into the wall adapter. Plug the micro USB side of the charging cable into the back of the battery charger. You can charge 2 batteries simultaneously in the charger. Each channel will display the current battery capacity percentage, as well as elapsed charge time and battery voltage.